Pour a bit of water into a 5-inch round balloon. Tie the knots as close to the nozzle as possible. Gently squeeze the balloon to adjust the shape. Use your right index finger to push the nozzle firmly into your left hand. Twist 12 consecutive 3-finger-wide bubbles. Pinch tightly behind the first bubble, using your left index and middle fingers, so the rest won't unravel. Wrap the balloon neck around the last bubble. Then tie a knot. Grip every 4 bubbles and twist twice. Pinch tightly in the middle with your left hand, then lift and twist the top bubbles. Arrange it neatly, and it becomes a 6-petal flower. Twist to 8-finger-wide ring bubbles. Twist 1 5-finger single bubble. Make a pinch twist. Twist 1 2-finger-wide bubble. Place it into the center of the 6-petal flower.